Children are born curious, eager to explore. As a parent, we constantly look for different ways to fuel their curiosity while preparing them for the world of tomorrow. But we know it's not an easy task. We need the right toys that can stimulate a child's natural creativity, helping them learn through play. Skills of tomorrow are not found in books. Today, we learn by doing. So what if our children can make our home smart, make their own toys, and actually start thinking about solving problems of our world? Introducing the IoT Starter Kit by Avishkaar, including a powerful electronics board, the Avishkaar Maker Board, various sensors, motors, and starter electronics components. Imagine a children being busy creating hundreds of smart projects while developing the essential skills of computational thinking and creative problem solving. The IoT Starter Kit is just the right product for our children of today solving problems of tomorrow.